What I'm gonna be teaching you in this video today has literally gotten hundreds, maybe even thousands of people completely free stuff from TEMU. There is a secret glitch that almost nobody knows about that you can exploit inside of TEMU. And the craziest part is that it costs no money, takes barely any time, and does not take you to any weird, sketchy survey site. I made a video just like this almost 2 years ago, and the method has changed quite a bit. But in that video, you guys can scroll through the comments and you can see the literal hundreds of people that use the method to get their order on TEMU for 100% free. This method is still working. All you have to do is just follow the exact steps I'm gonna be giving you in today's video. So with that all being said, let's get started. First off, you guys don't know who I am. My name is Xavier. I teach people how to save money online without any of the scams. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on another one of these videos where I teach you guys the secret game on how to get stuff for free, because these companies don't want you to know this, but there is real ways to do it that, again, don't have to be scams. If you don't believe me, follow along in today's video, and if this method doesn't work, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will personally cash app you $100. That's how confident I am that this method actually does work. First off, you guys are gonna wanna complete today's method from your phone. I'm gonna go ahead and have a screen recording of my phone right here so you guys can see what I'm doing in real time. Now, what you guys are gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get on your phone just like this and go to a browser of choice. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna type in Tiny, and what you're gonna wanna do is type in this exact URL that I'm gonna give you. What you're gonna wanna type in is this exact link right here. I don't know what it is. It's some kind of weird glitch from TEMU themselves, but all you have to do is just type in tinyurl/easytemu. Once you guys type that, it's going to take you to temu.com and it's gonna say spin to obtain a $100 coupon bundle. What you're gonna wanna do is you're just gonna go through this entire rigmarole until it says $100 coupon bundle. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna use the $100 in app. Now, here's the thing, is if you guys already have TEMU installed, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna look up TEMU on your phone and you're gonna want to delete TEMU from your phone. What would be even better is if you guys actually use a separate phone for this method, and I'm actually gonna be showing you a way to repeat this method over and over and over again. So if it doesn't work the first time, which is somewhat normal, it might take you a couple times for this method to work. I'm gonna show you a way to actually create unlimited phones on your computer so you can just redo this entire method over and over and over again and make tons of money and get tons of free stuff from TEMU. But what you're gonna wanna do from here is just click claim an app or get an app. It's gonna say preparing your amazing discount. It's gonna have you load. It's gonna click stop. It's gonna say one more chance. We're just gonna let it go. And it's gonna say 100% off. Just gonna say a bunch of stuff. Again, this is some kind of like new weird method, but we're just gonna wanna keep going. And then you're gonna wanna click get in app. After that, you're just gonna wanna go ahead and download the TEMU app directly from your phone. Go ahead and click open. And as you guys can see, there is gonna be a $100 coupon bundle. Make sure you go ahead and sign into your account, or if you already don't have an account, make sure to go ahead and just use their account. So after you guys deal with all that crap, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna see something like this right here. It's gonna say developer sign up. As you guys can see from my camera, it's gonna say developer sign up. After that, all you're gonna wanna do is just press OK. And then after that, what you guys are gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna add a bunch of stuff to your TEMU cart and get ready to pay for it. And then once you get ready to pay for it, all you have to do is go to where it says coupons and offers right here. There is gonna be a 100% off entire order coupon right there. Now, if you guys don't see that order coupon, what that means is that you haven't done all of the steps right. However, there is a few things that you could do before you have to go ahead and get a new phone. So if you want this method to work for you, you might have to go get your mom's phone. You might have to go get like your dad's phone. You might have to go get one of your brothers or siblings' phones. But what you guys are gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to the search bar and search up ORD 546-524-76. Once you guys search that up, you are gonna see something to the tune of this. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna add to the cart whatever you see here. So just go ahead and buy a bunch of stuff, and then you will see that 100% off coupon, and that coupon will work just like that. Now, if the method didn't work for you guys, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to bluestacks.com. BlueStacks is an Android emulator. You can use it to play games. You can use it to play Android games on a computer. You have to use a computer for this method, so if you don't have a computer readily available, go to the library, use your school Chromebook. If you guys wanna get free stuff from TEMU without having to work a job, like you expected it to be zero effort, like come on. And what you're gonna wanna do is just download BlueStacks and then go through the exact same process process that I just showed you. Everything from putting the code inside of TEMU to going to the link, just do that whole thing. And then if it doesn't work, just keep trying until it works. Like I said, if it takes you a couple tries and it doesn't work, leave a comment down below and I will cash app you 100 bucks because I am so confident that this method works. Now, with that all being said, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I got tons more game coming out on this channel very, very soon for things like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and even how to get stuff for free that you wouldn't expect to be able to get for free, like YouTube Premium, Netflix, Spotify. I got so many methods, guys. You are not gonna be ready for them. So if that at all sounds interesting, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel down below. Also, make sure to go ahead and leave a like and share this video with a friend so they don't miss out on the free game. And with that all being said, so they don't miss out on the free game, like, come on, guys, don't gatekeep around here. And with that all being said, thank you so much for watching. Hope that you have a good day. Bye.